Hi guys, I can't believe it is only 1 week exactly until Christmas, so I thought I would try and do my first ever Christmas vlog or vlogmas. We probably have some activities planned for this week leading up to Christmas as well, so I thought it would be an interesting one. So this evening we're going to head over to our friend's place for dinner, and I'm very excited. We're going to go watch Gladiator 2 at the cinema. We actually refreshed our memory by watching Gladiator 1 at home the other weekend, so yeah, very excited to see what the sequel story will be like.
Look how much cheap stuff is got for present.
Salsa.
Oh yeah.
Go along?
Could be. Good morning guys, and happy Friday. I'm just about to head out to work, but I thought I would show you guys what I got as a Christmas present from my work colleague. I had so much fun browsing the Maya Giftorium and came across lots of goodies. In the end I decided on this chocolate gift box. It actually looks a lot bigger in real life than it does on screen. So as you can see, it is Lindt chocolate, and the box is so festive with I always struggle to say this place, Champs-Élysées, with the gold detail, and everything is just so sparkly. So it's a decent box of chocolate. It's about 469 grams, and I think inside this is what it looks like. You've got an assortment of milk and dark chocolate pieces, and white chocolate as well. The original price is $49.99 Australian dollars, but I think Maya do like 25 or 30% off, and I got 2 boxes for 2 different groups of people. And the second thing I got was this pretty box of tea from Tote, also from Meyer. I would have liked to browse tea too, but there wasn't a store where I was in the Westfield yesterday, so I thought this looks pretty good. It also has different flavored teas, and I think it says there are 40 individually wrapped tea bags there. So again, I think just something nice for a group of colleagues to be able to share at work. And then the last one is for the big man, a bottle of champagne.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
A quick outfit check before heading out to work. It is another hot day here in Sydney. We are right in the middle of summer, so I'm going for a breezy look. The top is one of my favorites as well. I got it in Asia a few years ago. I love the fluttery sleeves. It is a lovely light dove grey colour, and the pants are also one of my all-time new favourites from the last year. They are wide leg pants from Uniqlo. I have them in the cream colour as well as a camel brown. I tend to wear the brown a little bit more because the white I'm always afraid to get dirty, but these kind of just wash really nicely in the washing machine. And the bag is the Madewell Essential Bucket bag. You guys have a great Friday, and let's head off to work.
extra special good. He'll make it this December, the one you remember, the best.
Is so delightful, and since we've no place to go, oh, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't.
I remember singing St. Patrick's Cathedral Bunbury.